In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download source code from Plesk Cpanel. This step-by-step guide is perfect for those of you who are looking to take a copy of your website's files from your Plesk panel directly to your local device. Whether you're doing this for backup purposes or perhaps to make some edits locally before re-uploading, this is an essential skill for any website owner or developer. First things first, let's log into your Plesk panel. You'll need to have your login credentials handy as you enter them to access the control panel. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Plesk. From here, look for the section called Websites and Domains. This is where all of your domain information is organized and managed. Under Websites and Domains, you'll want to locate the domain name for which you'd like to download the source code. Click on this domain to open up the domain-specific management options. In these options, navigate to the File Manager. This tool is integral, as it houses all the necessary files for your website's operation. Now, within the File Manager, you will be able to browse through all of the directories and files associated with your website. Typically, you'll want to look inside the directory named HTTP docs or public Cpanel. It's in one of these folders where your site's files are usually stored. If your site contains a multitude of files, common for any website of a considerable size, it can be much more efficient to compress these files before downloading. Luckily, Plesk provides you with tools to make this process straightforward. Look for an option labeled Archive/Compress, or ZIP. By selecting this, you can bundle your files or folders into a compressed archive format, such as a .zip or .tar GZ file. Compressing files not only makes the download faster, but also helps in keeping everything organized in a single package. Once you've created this archive, it's time to get it onto your local computer. Select the archive that you've just created, and then click on the Download button, which may be found in the toolbar or when you right-click on the file name. This action initiates the download process, transferring this compressed bundle of your website's source code directly to your local machine. After the download is complete, you can go ahead and extract the archive on your computer. Extraction tools are usually built into your operating system, or you can use a dedicated program to unpack your files. You should now have access to all the necessary files right at your fingertips, ready for inspection, backup, or editing. Some versions of the File Manager also support downloading individual files directly. So, if you only need specific files, you can simply right-click on the desired file or use the Download button to take just those particular files as needed. That wraps up our guide for today. With your source code safely downloaded, you can proceed with whatever you have planned for your website, armed with the knowledge of how to efficiently get your files from Plesk to your local setup. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.